Hello, in front of me I've got Peugeot 3008. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic transmission. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the transmission knob. Press brake and now push the gearbox shifter downwards with the unlock button pressed to switch from parking to neutral, drive, and upwards to select reverse. If you want to select parking, simply press P located on the top. And if you want to use manual gearbox, press drive and manual. Now you can change gears manually via minus and plus paddle behind the steering wheel. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.